नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग हब पर। आज हम बात करेंगे इंग्लिश टाइपिंग डिटेक्शन के बारे में। अगर आप अपनी टाइपिंग स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी को भी बढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो यह वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। इसे शुरू से अंत तक देखिएगा जरूर और प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा। सबसे पहले आइए जानते हैं कि अंग्रेजी टाइपिंग डिटेक्शन के क्या फ़ायदे हैं। सबसे पहला फ़ायदा स्पीड बढ़ाना। डिक्टेशन से आप अपनी टाइपिंग स्पीड को बढ़ा सकते हैं। दूसरा, एक्यूरेसी, इससे आपकी टाइपिंग की एक्यूरेसी भी बेहतर होती है। तीसरा, प्रैक्टिस, यह एक बेहतरीन तरीका है कि आप अपनी टाइपिंग स्किल्स को प्रैक्टिस करने का। चलिए शुरू करते हैं इंग्लिश टाइपिंग डिक्टेशन लेना।
Playing a multifaceted role in ensuring a balanced ecosystem and a stable climate. Full stop. They are often referred to as the lungs of the earth, comma, a fitting metaphor given their ability to absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. Full stop. This exchange is crucial for maintaining the atmospheric balance necessary for life. Full stop. As the world grapples with the escalating threat of climate change, comma, the role of trees in sequestering carbon becomes even more critical. Full stop. By absorbing significant amounts of carbon dioxide, comma, trees help mitigate the greenhouse effect, comma, thereby reducing global warming and its associated impacts. Full stop. In addition to their role in carbon sequestration, comma, trees are vital for maintaining biodiversity. Full stop. Forests, comma, which cover about 31% of the Earth's land area, comma, are home to an estimated 80% of the world's terrestrial species. Full stop. This incredible biodiversity is essential for ecosystem stability and resilience. Full stop. Trees provide habitat and food for countless species of insects, comma, birds, comma, mammals, and other organisms. Full stop. The loss of trees through deforestation can lead to the extinction of species and the collapse of ecosystems, comma, which can have cascading effects on global biodiversity and human well-being. Full stop. Paragraph change. Trees also play a crucial role in water management. Full stop. Their roots help to stabilize soil and prevent erosion, comma, which is particularly important in areas prone to landslides and flooding. Full stop. By capturing and storing rainwater, comma, trees reduce runoff and increase groundwater recharge, comma, ensuring a steady supply of fresh water. Full stop. This is especially important in regions facing water scarcity. Full stop. Furthermore, trees help to purify water by filtering pollutants and sediments comma, contributing to cleaner rivers and streams. Full stop, paragraph change. The benefits of trees extend beyond environmental health to human health and well-being. Full stop. Urban areas with abundant tree cover tend to have lower temperatures, comma, reduced air pollution, comma, and higher quality of life. Full stop. Trees provide shade and cooling, comma, which can reduce the urban heat island effect and lower energy cost for cooling buildings. Full stop. They also improve air quality by trapping dust, comma, pollen, and other pollutants, which can reduce respiratory problems and other health issues. Full stop. Additionally, comma, green spaces with trees offer recreational opportunities and promote mental well-being by providing a natural escape from the stresses of urban life. Full stop. Economically, comma, trees are invaluable. Full stop. They provide raw materials for numerous industries, comma, including timber, comma, paper, and pharmaceuticals. Full stop. Sustainable forestry practices can ensure that these resources are available for future generations while maintaining the health of forest ecosystems. Full stop. Trees are also contribute to tourism, comma, with forests and parks attracting visitors and supporting local economics. Full stop. Para change. Given the myriad benefits that trees provide, comma, it is imperative that we prioritize their conservation and restoration. Full stop. Protecting existing forests from deforestation and degradation, comma, as well as implementing reforestation and afforestation project, comma, are essential steps in ensuring a sustainable future. Full stop. Policies and practices that promote sustainable land use, comma, reduce carbon emission, comma, and support biodiversity conservation are crucial. Full stop. Public awareness and community involvement in trees planting and conservation efforts can also make a significant difference. Full stop. In conclusion, comma, trees are not just a part of our environment, semicolon, they are integral to our survival and prosperity. Full stop. By recognizing their importance and taking proactive steps to protect and restore them, comma, we can ensure a healthier, comma, more resilient planet for future generations. Full stop. Trees are indeed a cornerstone of our future, comma, and their preservation is a responsibility we must all share. Full stop.